What's up, Wolfpack? Lycan-Strife here, Driftwolf Gaming, and we are taking a look today at another package that Bestorx has sent us, Bestorx.com. You've probably seen the review and unboxing of their first Oculus Quest 2 Premium Deluxe audio strap. However, this is the second one. So I had to rip this apart because it would not slide off. So we're going to take a quick look at the packaging real quick here. Again, pretty much the same packaging. Really cool, just nice, foldable, improved audio, increased comfort. And we're gonna open this up. There we go. So it already says right here, as you can see, updated version deluxe audio strap for Oculus Quest 2 installing guide for kids and very small head people. Please use this additional pad to attach two pads together. So there's also a extra foam pad for people that have smaller heads or for children, so that's good. So we're gonna open it up real quick. Oh, this is the pad that they're talking about. So we're gonna move the box away real quick. There we go, slide that off. So yeah, again, this is the pad that probably goes onto the inside of the other pad right here. Pretty nicely packed for kids and very small head people. I can move that away because I have a giant melon head with a lot of water in there. So again, it's neatly packed. I'm just gonna slide it out, put that stuff away. Again, we have our little guide over here, which shows us what to do. I'm just going to slide through that real quick, and then of course we have more over here. There you go. Need more help? Let them know. So that's pretty cool. We can move that aside as well. So again, yeah, I mean, I know that the build quality is good. I've had this thing before, and there's some rubber pads here, I think, what you can use for sticking it on. This piece seems to be loose, so we're gonna get that out. That's for our head on the back. This one has to go, I think, underneath. This one folds over. Personally, myself, I'm not a big fan of the brown color that they used here, but it does feel nice and squishy. And we have to wait and see how we do this again. Aha! So it still clicks, as you can hear, but it's not so aggressive anymore. This one still is aggressive, the back one, but it's not that bad. They did listen to me in my review, and they did fix certain things regarding how this sounds. And actually, I don't know if you can still do this. Oh, you can't click them up. Okay. So there's no way to put them up. The other one had a little bit of give like this, but maybe I'm doing it wrong. Maybe I should go the other way around. Maybe it should be like this, yeah. But it still doesn't click in place, which is too bad. I think I might be doing it wrong though. So we're gonna turn that thing around. There, it should be like this, I think. There we go. This is how it should be. So they did not fix this, where you can put it up on the side, where it clicks in place so that you can keep it off of your ears, which I think should be a nice addition if they could fix that in the future. And the cable is still good, it's placed good, you know, you can put it over your headset. This thing is a nice addition that you can actually just grip it on the back and leave it there, so we have to Velcro that in place. And it's going to be like that. So that's pretty easy to do. However, now comes the case where you have this thing on the back of your skull. I don't have a lot of hair, so I don't know how that's going to feel, but we're going to have to figure that out real quick. Again, it's less aggressive. Remember how I said in the previous review that if you did this, the Oculus Quest 2 thinks you're double tapping and it wants to do the whole pass-through thing. Yeah, we'll have to wait and see how that goes. But yeah, I think it's time to just test this out, put it on the Oculus Quest 2, see how it feels. So here we have it installed, and we're gonna try and test this out again. Not a big fan of Velcro on the back of my head. It's not really that bad. I'm gonna grab the controllers real quick, turn them on when I have the headset on. So we're gonna put it on. There we go, and turn on the headset, see if we still have battery. Yes, we do. Okay, well this one has to go on the front of your head. Okay, so again, the sound is less regarding how you turn it up on the back. This one goes on your forehead. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab these things. Okay, so as you could have heard, the clicky sound, it's still there. However, it's not doing the thing where it's going into the pass-through. Now I can see everybody, and now I'm back in VR. Okay, so that's good. However, the way that it's now positioned for my ears is not that great, but apparently you can gently get them up. They slide up. That's a nice system actually. So back into VR. I think we have our ear cups pretty much where we want them. Oh yeah, it still did the double tap. Yep, now we're back. Okay. So I'm sorry Bestorx, but it's still too aggressive. But then again, once you have it installed on your head, when you turn it off, it's very loud as well. Okay, so now we're in VR. The sound is still really good. The ear cups are nicely placed, and the way that they're hugging my ears is really not that uncomfortable. However, again, I'm still a bigger fan of just getting them a little bit off your ear, you know, where you don't have stress on your ears. So again, if they could make something in the future where it's just a little bit off of your ears, where you can decide where you want to have it, and also have a option where you can put it like this, that if somebody's coming into the room and they want to talk to you, you can clip them onto the side and they stay like this the whole time. That's just, I know that's pretty difficult probably to get on here, but the clicking, it's way less how it's sounding, that's for sure. And it's still a great deluxe audio strap, but it's still too aggressive regarding when you're adjusting them. And this one seems to work okay. Again, it's still an aggressive clicking system they have on there. I didn't feel much from the Velcro on the inside, so that's okay. Again, I do really like how it's looking, how it's designed, and you know that you can move this, the back piece, and go down. And if you move the ear cups to the side, you know, you can do a lot of things with it. I probably have to get them down again, but yeah, I mean, again, it's nice stuff for sure. I like that it's so versatile in how you can actually adjust everything. But again, even this, oh, you really have to put some force on there. And then I can put them to the back. See? Now they're over here. So that's still something that they... and when you are pushing too much on the Velcro, that's of course my fault now that I did this. I have to actually turn off the VR headset real quick. Power off, there you go. But if you're putting too much stress on the Velcro edge, it's gonna go snap off like that. Again, Velcro is easy to reattach. Alright, so I wanted to continue this video further, and wanted to let you know that it's really great when a company finds you on YouTube, sends you their stuff, and really asks about your honest opinion. I'm doing this all without a script. I'm doing this off the cuff. Most of the time it's live. I'm not live streaming it, but I'm doing it live right now. So this is just a take that I wanted to crash in between the video. So both of these audio straps are amazing. The problems that I had, what I was already discussing in the video, is that when you put on your Oculus Quest in this case, and you adjust your ear cups, it might go into the pass-through mode. Now, I told them that the hinge inside of the ear cups are too aggressive. It's a lot less. Yes, sometimes it still happens, but I also think that's because of the way that you're adjusting it. You're already trying to, you know, move your hands up on the the Oculus Quest itself, which is of course attached to your head. So your head is gonna like absorb the vibrations of everything that you're doing on your headset. But then again, the pass-through is very sensitive. So when you tap it on the side or just when you ramble it a little bit, it's gonna be going into pass-through mode. So again, this is the newer version, and it's a lot less. Wait, am I saying that correctly? No, this is the newer version. This is the old version. It has the actually the same box and the same stuff in there. All right, so here we have both of the headsets itself. Of course, as you can see, this one has the black foam inside, or the whatchamacallit. It's a little bit fabricy, which is nice. Again, this is also Velcro, as you can hear. It's just a layer of Velcro that's taped on there, so you can take that off. Now, personally, these seem, yeah, you can hear that? That's really aggressive. Now, if we go to the newer one, it's a lot less. It's almost 50% less. Now, to be quite fair, both of these fit really great on your Oculus Quest 2, and they also fit very nicely on my head. To be quite fair, I think the black look on the exterior here with the ear cups and the foam, or the fabric in here, is nicer looking than this brownish look. But then again, when you have it on your head, you can't really see the difference, of course. They both feel very soft and nice. I actually think the brown one is a little bit softer. It almost feels like it. But they both feel very premium. And I think it's really cool that a company sends you stuff to hear your honest opinion about it. And then also that if you say, well, I think this and that is a little bit off of the product, that they even give you another chance and say, well, here's the updated version. What do you think about that? Now, the back, I think, is still the same, if I hear that. Yeah, this one sounds a little bit more hollow. This one sounds a little bit more firm, but it's both still the same thing. I think it's actually almost the same measurements regarding all the other plastic stuff or the ABS items that they have on here. Now, at first, I also thought that this was going to be a major letdown for me, but I thought it was going to be, because I always like millimeter my hair, I thought I was going to feel the Velcro on the inside. This is, of course, for the small head people or the children that actually can have the other halo on the inside. But it didn't really bother me at all. I didn't really feel it because the rubber or the plastic from this stuff holding the back of my head in its place is really good. Again, the 3D audio on both is absolutely amazing. It works really well. That's why you have this plug, of course, on the side. That's for the 3D audio. And just the ease of use, how you can just slide this over your existing Oculus Quest 2 side thingies where you need to put it over. You know, if you have like a battery strap like me, you can just easily take it off and decide that you want to use this. You know, maybe you're gaming late at night and you don't want your girlfriend or your boyfriend to wake up from your screaming in VR when you're playing Onward with your friends or whatever. Then it's actually a very nice solution to just slide this on, and you're going to be done in like 2 minutes. And yeah, you know, there's something to be said about the way that when you are adjusting this and it's aggressive enough that it goes into pass-through, once you've set it, you know, once or twice, you're going to be done with that. And when you take it off, you're going to flip it inside. So it's actually just a matter of doing that once. It might go into pass-through, it might not. I know this one will go into pass-through. This one does it a lot less. So yeah, I actually think they're going up in the world. So Bestorx is really doing their best to innovate and to make certain things new. But again, this, you can hear how aggressive this one is and how less aggressive this one is. So they really took note of the thing that bothered me. So that's like a big thumbs up, because there are not a lot of companies who try to bring stuff like this out. And you know, they might have tested it and they're like, well, it's fine. But I think it's actually really cool that they, they're giving me a chance to be honest about this. Like I said, I'm doing this without any scripts or whatever. I'm just, taking this on how it goes. But again, to be quite fair, These things are just amazing. They're so easy to use. Their build quality is really good. It's super flexible, but when it's on your Oculus Quest, it's actually really strong. The versatility in what you can use it is really nice, especially this one where you can use it for children as well, because this other Halo is in the package, which is nice. You know, sometimes women have a smaller head. I know my girlfriend has a smaller head than I have, so that one is perfect for her. And yeah, that's actually about it what I can talk about, because they're both just amazing pieces of kit that you can use for your Oculus Quest 2 to enrich your VR gameplay, to get more immersed into the video game. And yeah, I just want to thank Bestorx.com again for sending me this stuff. They have sponsored me with this. Also, of course, with the wireless earbuds, which are also really cool. You can check that video out on my channel. I'll post the link of the original review of this one in the video description down below, so you can check that out. And other than that, you know, if you're fine with how aggressive this one is with the turning of the ear cups, or you just want something that's a little less aggressive, or you're going to be like, well, I don't really care much about it. If I get into pass-through, I just tap it 2 times on the Oculus Quest 2, and when I've set this all up, I should be fine. That's all good. I mean, they're both great value for the money. So again, check them out on bestorx.com, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and peace.